towels.
Alright,
What did you do?
this is video entry journal number, what was this, number 4? Number 4.
Day 2.
Day 2.
That's all that matters. Day 2, number 2.
Guess where we are. Just guess.
Beach. The beach.
The beach. Look how beautiful it is. Birdie.
Huntington.
We should take Huntington to be exact. Look at that water, guys. Oh, I zoomed
Look,
in.
freaking.
Dude, it's recording.
I know. I stepped in tar. It's my foot. Can't believe I stepped in tar. It's kind of ridiculous.
Is that something to say about this beautiful day at the beach?
It's gorgeous.
It's freaking awesome.
Is it?
Beautiful.
I really wish I had a swimsuit and we could go swimming.
Go buy one.
No, I'm just kidding.
No.
Go find one.
Get my hair away.
What'd you say? Alright.
Guys, I could see like what that girl is.
Are you serious?
Yo, what'd you say?
Hello.
That girl's looking
What are you looking at?
holding what? A magazine in front of us.
Oh yeah.
Of what? Oh.
Can't see
Look at all these people on the pier.